Hello everyone. In the last video we have fitted these motors to the chassis. Now it's time to power these motors with the ESCs. Brushed motor speed controller ESC 20 amps. These are the electronic speed controllers. We need two of these. As there is no steering in this RC car, so we need to use tank model turning system. You can see I have joined these two motors parallelly. We need to be careful that if we power these motors, both motors should run same direction. The same way I am doing this side. Positive to positive and negative to negative. I have joined these two motors parallelly. Now we'll connect these ESCs to the motor. This is the power connector. We need to connect motors to this connector, and this is on off switch, and this is the signal connector. I'll connect this jumper wire to these wires so that it will be easy to connect these motors to the ESC in this way. You can see now these two motors are ready. In the same way I'll do to the other side. Now these two connections are ready. Now simply we need to connect this ESC to the motor. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative. And here is the another ESC. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Here I am going to use this Fly Sky transmitter and receiver. So in this I am going to connect this ESC signal pin to channel 1 and another ESC signal wire to the channel 2. So here we have connected this receiver to the ESCs. Now we'll connect battery to the ESC. As I said, this is the input connector. Here we need to be a little careful while powering these ESCs and transmitter and receiver. Here we have connected this battery to this ESC. We have to power this ESC also. So for that I will take two jumper wires. Here I will connect it to positive terminal and here I will connect to positive terminal. This is the negative. And here I will connect to negative. Now these both ESCs are receiving electricity. Now once we'll test this, we'll see how it is working. First we need to switch on the ESCs. Switch on the transmitter. You can see now it is working perfectly.